Lowland. Lowland refers to a geographical area that is relatively low in elevation compared to surrounding areas. It is the opposite of highland or upland. Lowlands are typically characterized by flat or gently rolling terrain and are often found near bodies of water such as rivers, lakes, or coastlines. The term lowland can be used to describe various types of landscapes and regions around the world. Here are a few examples. 1. The Netherlands. The Netherlands is known for its extensive lowland areas, with about a quarter of its land lying below sea level. These lowlands are protected by an intricate system of dikes and canals. 2. The Great Plains in the United States. The Great Plains, located in the central part of the United States, are a vast lowland region characterized by wide open spaces and fertile agricultural land. This area stretches from Texas to Canada. 3. The Amazon Basin. The Amazon Basin in South America is another example of a lowland region. It is a vast tropical rainforest with a complex network of rivers and dense vegetation. 4. The Fens in England. The Fens, located in eastern England, are a low-lying region that was historically marshland. They have been drained over centuries to create arable land for agriculture. 5. The Nile Delta. The Nile Delta in Egypt is a lowland area where the Nile River meets the Mediterranean Sea. It is a highly fertile region that has been a center of agriculture and civilization for thousands of years. In each of these examples, the term lowland is used to describe a specific type of geographical area that is relatively flat and at a lower elevation compared to surrounding regions.